Hey, so if you're using ClickUp and still switching between a bunch of different apps, this guide is going to help a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickUp with other tools in 2026, step by step, so everything works together smoothly. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where all integrations are managed. Now, ClickUp integrations let you connect your favorite tools like Slack, Google Drive, Gmail, Zoom, GitHub, and more. To get started, open your workspace settings and look for the integration section. This is where you'll see all available tools you can connect. Let's say you want to connect Google Drive. Once you select it, ClickUp will ask you to sign in and give permission. After that, you can attach files from Drive directly to tasks, which honestly saves a lot of time and keeps files organized. For communication tools like Slack, integration is super useful. You can receive task notifications, comments, and updates directly in your Slack channels. This helps teams stay informed without constantly checking ClickUp, especially helpful for remote teams. If you're working with developers, tools like GitHub or GitLab can also be connected. This allows commits and pull requests to appear inside tasks, giving clear visibility between development and project management. ClickUp also works with automation platforms like Zapier and Make. These let you create custom workflows like automatically creating tasks from form submissions or syncing updates between apps. It's powerful but still beginner-friendly. One important tip, only enable integrations you actually need. Too many connections can create noise and unnecessary notifications. Keeping things intentional makes your workflow faster and cleaner. And that's basically it. By integrating ClickUp with the tools you already use, you turn it into a central hub where work, communication, and files all come together. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or anyone setting up ClickUp workflows. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.